children. Today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject and term 3 lesson 3 animals. It's a continuous topic, endangered species. An endangered species is an animal or a plant that is at the risk of extinction. It means that they might extinct from the earth soon. Now let us see the brief about causes for endangered animals. The following reasons about animal or plant is endangered or extinct. Forests which provide food and shelter to animals are destroyed for human needs. Large number of animals is hunted for their horns, skin, teeth and many other valuable products. Let us brief about the causes for endangered animals.
Let us brief about the causes for endangered animals and saving endangered species. An endangered species is an animal or a plant that is at the risk of extinction. It is reported that nearly 132 species of plants and animals are critically endangered in India. For example, smaller than African elephants. Asian elephants can be identified by their smaller, rounded ears. Reason of being endangered. Hunt. Why people can hunt it? Because people want to take the tusk. Growing critically endangered species in captivity. Cloning animals that gone extinct because of humans. Protect environments that endangered animals live. Create national parks where hunting is illegal. Causes for endangered animals. The first one, the pollutions like air pollution and water pollution affect the animals. This is the first point, causes for endangered animals. Pollutions like air pollution and water pollution affect the animals. Second one, sometimes animals are taken to new habitat by people. They cannot survive there. Second one, sometimes animals are taken to new habitat by people. They cannot survive there. Third one, pesticides and chemicals which are used to get rid of insects, pests or weeds poison the plants and the animals. Fourth one, natural disaster like flood, cyclones and fire also destroy animals. These are the points about causes for endangered animals. Next one, saving endangered species. Nature is beautiful and it is filled with varieties plants and animals, but they are endangered. Mainly due to human activities, we need to take some measures to protect them. The first one, hunting and poaching animals should be prohibited. Second one, we should not pollute the environment. Third one, limiting the usage of plastic and recycling it can save the endangered animals. Then fourth one, pesticides and chemicals which pollute the environment should be avoided. Then fifth one, planting native trees will provide food to the animals. Then last one, we should buy eco-friendly products only. Do you know, children, the recent years more number of animals is affected by wastes in the form of plastic. Animals mistake plastic as their food and eat them. Surgeons in Tamil Nadu Veterinary University, Chennai have removed 52 kg of plastic from a cow. Once again, surgeons in Tamil Nadu Veterinary University, Chennai have removed 52 kg of plastic from a cow. Do you know, children, National Endangered Species Day, 3rd Friday of May. Endangered animals in India. The world is filled with endangered species of animals, many of which can be found in India. While some of these species are critically endangered, some are near threatened and some are even extinct. There are some species that are left in such few members that your next generation may not be able to ever see them. If touching is done for their conservation, while we hope that more efforts are taken to conserve these species. Here's a list of some endangered animals that you can find in different parts of India. An animal is said to be endangered if its population is currently less than 50 or less than 250 for the past 3 years. So, save the animals and plants. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.